Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techxplorers channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. We have very exciting and eco-friendly innovation to share with you. Introducing drinking water, a revolutionary 3-in-1 water dispenser that's here to change how you get your drinking water. Let's dive into how this incredible device is not only saving you money, but also protecting our planet. First, let's talk about the environmental impact. We all know that drinking bottled water and discarding the plastic bottles contributes to plastic pollution, which harms our oceans and releases greenhouse gases. Drinking water is here to tackle this issue by providing you with clean, safe drinking water without the need for plastic bottles. So how does it work? Drinking water combines three amazing functions: air to water, air purification, and dehumidification. This eco-friendly water dispenser captures humidity from the air and converts it into pure, nutrient-rich drinking water. No more waiting or complicated handling. Just press a button and enjoy refreshing water instantly. Drinking water delivers one type of water that is both nutrient-rich and alkaline, perfect for everyone in your family. It features 3 unique interchangeable mineral supply filters, so you can customize your water to meet daily cooking, sports, and health maintenance needs effortlessly. Equipped with AquaFetch Plus technology and advanced graphene material, drinking water efficiently captures air moisture, producing up to 19 liters of water per day. That's 95 cups of 200 milliliters water. This means you can enjoy cost-free drinking water, even in dry and arid regions, thanks to its advanced tech. Safety is a top priority with drinking water. The powerful UVC sterilizer in the water tank eliminates 99.9% of microorganisms, ensuring your water is always fresh, clean, and safe to drink. It's perfect for any home, providing a seamless experience from the moment you set it up. Say goodbye to plastic bottles and hello to an endless supply of clean, healthy water. We are beyond excited to introduce you to a revolutionary watercraft that is set to transform your water adventures. Meet the X-Foil 2, a carbon fiber electric hydrofoil that's designed to glide on the surface and even fly above the water. Whether you're riding in lakes, rivers, or oceans, the X-Foil 2 offers an unparalleled experience. Let's dive into what makes this watercraft so extraordinary. First things first, the X-Foil 2 is the world's first hydrofoil equipped with a computer-controlled gyro system featuring active moving control surfaces. This groundbreaking technology, called Omega, is derived from fighter jets and is designed to automatically cancel out turbulent waters and wind, providing you with super stability and handling. Imagine even the choppiest waters feeling like a silky smooth ride. X-Foil 2 makes that possible. Central to the Omega system is a 6-axis gyro that senses changes in roll, pitch, and yaw, counteracting these forces 1,000 times faster than any human could. This means you get the smoothest, most maneuverable, and easiest to ride hydrofoil ever created. And the best part, the computer system enhances your control rather than working against it, so you're always in full command with significant improvements in stability. X-Foil 2 isn't just for the elite. The creators believe that everyone should have access to a superior, no-compromise hydrofoil at an affordable price. This commitment to accessibility means that you can experience top-end hydrofoil technology without breaking the bank. Let's talk about design. X-Foil 2 measures just 65.5 inches long, making it shorter than a child-sized surfboard. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction is 5 times stronger and 5 times lighter than steel. Unlike other e-foils made from materials like fiberglass, EPS plastic, foam, or inflatable air, X-Foil 2 uses the best hand-laid carbon fiber. This ensures it absorbs waves, increases lift, and minimizes drag while delivering unmatched comfort and control. Whether you're new to water sports or an experienced rider, X-Foil 2 is designed to be the easiest board to learn on. It allows you to build riding confidence in progressive steps, so you can learn at your own pace and move to the next riding style whenever you feel comfortable. X-Foil 2 is not just another hydrofoil, it's a game changer. With its fighter jet-derived technology, unmatched stability, and ease of use, it offers a unique and exhilarating water experience. From beginners to experts, everyone can enjoy the thrill of riding the X-Foil 2. We are thrilled to introduce you to the next generation of shaving technology. Meet the Motor Zero 2.0. This is not just any razor. It's a powerful, aesthetically pleasing masterpiece that makes the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. Let's dive into what makes the Motor Zero 2.0 so extraordinary. First off, let's talk about the design. Inspired by the streamlined curves and exquisite craftsmanship of a sports car, the Motor Zero 2.0 features a more rounded shape, giving it a restrained yet classic look. The interior design takes cues from the engine compartments of sports cars, resulting in a trendy and technological appearance that's sure to impress. One of the standout features is the unique breathing light on the rear, mimicking a sports car's taillight. This not only enhances its trendy punk feel, but also adds a futuristic technological touch. The Motor Zero 2.0 is designed to be your stylish companion in daily life, combining power and portability in one sleek package. The innovative metal mirror design on the top cover is both aesthetically pleasing and incredibly practical. It's perfect for business people who travel often, allowing for a hassle-free shaving experience anytime, anywhere, without the need to search for a mirror. When it comes to performance, the Motor Zero 2.0 is a game changer. Upgraded to 9,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers a faster and cleaner shave, ensuring you look sharp and ready for any occasion. Say goodbye to long, tedious shaving sessions and hello to efficiency. To improve the user experience even further, the Motor Zero 2.0 is equipped with an LED display. This allows you to easily check the remaining battery level at a glance, so you never have to worry about the embarrassment of a low battery mid-shave. Stay in control and confident with every use. Motor Zero 2.0 is not just a razor, it's a revolutionary grooming tool. Remember those unbearably hot summers where staying cool felt impossible, especially when you were off the grid? Well, we've got an exciting solution for you today. Meet the Zero Breeze Mark III, a revolutionary handheld portable air conditioner that's set to transform your outdoor living experience. Let's dive into why the Mark III is a game changer for beating the heat. Since 2016, Zero Breeze has been dedicated to developing innovative portable AC solutions. The Mark III is the culmination of years of dedication and re-engineering, designed to address every potential factor affecting outdoor use. From the compressor and duct system to the power supply and drainage system, every component has been optimized for true portability. The Mark III is incredibly easy to move and connect to power, making it perfect for a variety of cooling needs. Whether you're looking for a comfortable night's sleep under the stars or a quick cool down during a hot day, the Mark III has got you covered. Pet owners, rejoice! The Mark III empowers you to set a fixed temperature, offering protection from the heat for your furry companions. This is more than just enhancing your comfort. It's about providing a safer environment for our dedicated pets who contribute so much to our well-being. One of the standout features of the Mark III is its innovative drainage system. With a built-in micro pump, you can easily remove condensate within a 59-inch height range, defying gravity for quick and convenient drainage. Say goodbye to cumbersome and messy drainage setups. The Mark III offers multiple modes to ensure your perfect atmosphere, always. Whether you need care mode's specialized cooling, Rocket's rapid refresh, Sleep's tranquility, Cool's refreshing chill, Fan's gentle breeze, Heating's warmth, or Dry's humidity control, the Mark III has it all. Tailor your comfort to your exact needs with just a touch. The Zero Breeze. Mark III is not just another portable air conditioner, it's a revolutionary tool for outdoor comfort and safety. With its advanced technology, user-friendly features, and pet-friendly options, the Mark III is your ultimate companion for beating the heat and enjoying the great outdoors. All the craft beer lovers and homebrew enthusiasts out there, imagine if home brewing could be as easy as making your morning coffee. Well, now it can be. Meet the Igloo F1, a fully automated all-in-one home craft beer brewer that's designed to simplify the traditional brewing process. Whether you're a seasoned brewer or a complete beginner, the Igloo F1 makes brewing craft beer as easy as a few clicks. Let's dive in and see what makes this innovative machine a must-have for your kitchen countertop. The Igloo F1 is built with intelligent control technology to ensure consistent results and professional level taste every time. It's foolproof and perfect for anyone, regardless of their brewing experience. From hop-forward IPAs to refreshing citrus-infused brews and even kombucha, this compact machine is your all-in-one solution for home brewing right on your kitchen countertop. The Igloo F1 isn't limited to just beer. You can brew any of your favorite fermented beverages, including ciders, kombucha, yogurt, and so much more. The possibilities are endless, and the creativity is all yours. Home brewing has never been easier. With just 3 simple steps, it's as easy as brewing your favorite morning coffee. Fill it up, choose your recipe, and let the Igloo F1 take care of the rest. It's that simple and fun. For those who love to experiment, the Igloo F1 allows you to brew your own recipes to perfection. The unlimited possibilities and creativity are all in your hands. Brew your signature craft beer that's unique to your taste. Brew your own craft beers at home and save money in the long run. You'll never need to shop for cans and bottles again. Each brewing session yields 1 gallon, 116 ounces of beer. Depending on the brew kits and recipes you use, the entire process takes between 5-12 days. The Igloo F1 simplifies everything, but remember, fermentation is a natural process that we don't want to interrupt to ensure the best quality of your brew. The Igloo F1 is not just another home brewing gadget, it's a revolutionary tool that makes brewing craft beer and other fermented beverages as easy and enjoyable as brewing your morning coffee. With its intelligent control technology, endless creative possibilities, and money-saving benefits, the Igloo F1 is the ultimate home brewing solution.